Here is an example of how you might get an essay started. So I picked a topic. It's not a sport. It's not a famous person. It's not a country. Yours might be. So I just picked the topic of homeschooling. And remember, the intro paragraph, we'll do it later. So we just kind of skip this. I pick 3 different areas of homeschooling. The first area is freedom. There is freedom in homeschooling. There's also flexibility in homeschooling, and there's fun in homeschooling. So each of these, freedom, flexibility, and fun, is going to be turned into a paragraph. So I went up to my body paragraph number 1, freedom. And I brainstormed over here. This is where you might research something. I thought, okay, how is there freedom in homeschooling? You can choose your curriculum, you can teach religion, you can gather in co-ops without the government. And over here, this is what you would do this week. You take your notes and you turn them into sentences. We have practiced this in class. So this is just a rough draft at this point. I can make it fancier later. Parents who homeschool are able to choose their child's curriculum. If something isn't working in a subject like math, parents can try another curriculum. During the week, the children can be taught Bible as much as the parent wants. Amazingly, homeschool families may gather in co-ops to learn without the government. So that whole thing, yes, it fits under our main topic of homeschooling, but it's talking about the freedom in homeschooling. So that was just one paragraph that I came up with, and I will save it for the essay. The next topic was flexibility in homeschooling, so I brainstormed. I know you can choose to do homework only 2 or 3 days a week instead of having it all the time. You can sleep in. If you want to homeschool in the evening, you can. You could go and do some of your work at a coffee shop or even at a park. Can you think of other ways that homeschooling is flexible? Now, you're not really writing about homeschooling. This is just my example. But if you were writing this, could you think of other things? And then once you're done brainstorming, you just take it over here and you turn it into a paragraph, just like what I did for this one. And then fun in homeschooling. You can go on field trips. You can have on-the-job learning, like work as an apprentice for someone. You can have time for hobbies and get done early, or just choose learning what you like, okay? And if there's any more fun things, I can brainstorm those and then turn them into a paragraph. So this week, if you pick your topic and you pick what your 3 paragraphs are going to be about for the body, and you take your notes and turn them into paragraphs, I think you can get 3 paragraphs written over 2 weeks' time, because it will be 2 weeks before I see you. And remember, the conclusion, we'll do it later. So what do I need you to bring back the next time we meet? Bring back your 3 paragraphs. Remember, you can email me or your parent can message me and I will help you out. Good luck.